Buffer solutions. Buffer solutions are those solutions which resist change in pH. Resist change in pH means by adding something, the pH is not going to change. What we can add here? Small amount of acid, strong acid, or small amount of strong base can be added. Remember, small amounts, don't add excess amounts or heavy amounts. When you are adding small amounts of strong acid, strong base, or water, or on long standing means if you keep the solution for some time, the pH is not going to change. Such kind of solutions are called buffer solutions. Buffer solutions are those solutions which resist change in pH. Buffer solution resists change in pH on addition of strong acid or strong base in small quantities, or on addition of water means dilution, or on long standing. Long standing or water addition or small amount of acid or base, when you are adding, the solution's pH is not going to be affected. In such kind of cases, that particular solution is called buffer solution. In this class, we'll discuss types of buffer solutions and working of buffer. Types of buffer solutions. The first one is acidic buffer. Second one is basic buffer. Acidic buffer means it is made up of a weak acid and its salt with a strong base. Basic buffer means weak base, exactly, it's salt with strong acid. Example, if you want to go, weak acid is CH3COOH, correct, plus the combination of CH3COONA. It is a salt which is made up of strong base and weak acid. This combination can function like acidic buffer. Here NH4OH, it's the weak base, NH4Cl or NH42SO4, anything you can take. This combination can function like basic buffer. Acidic buffer is a combination of weak acid and its salt with strong base. Basic buffer is weak base and its salt with strong acid. Examples you can remember. We'll now go with working of these buffers. Buffer working. How the pH is maintained same. Buffer working. This is very interesting part. First we will take acidic buffer. Give me the example. CH3COOH, most common example, CH3COONA. Now you are adding acid. Acid means strong acid means you are adding HCl. And completely use your common sense here. You have a combination of weak acid and salt. An acid cannot react with acid. So here use your common sense. Acid cannot react with acid, so take this salt. The salt part, whatever is there, it is going to react and it forms CH3COOH plus NaCl. See, interesting. CH3COH is already with us. So because of the CH3COH increase, there is no change in pH. And NaCl is absolutely neutral. When NaCl is neutral, the pH won't change. So the pH is not changed because whatever the compounds are formed, they are not going to make any impact. CH3COH is already with us and NaCl formed is neutral. Now let us see what happens in case of base. If you are adding base, what happens? Base means I am taking NaOH, strong base. Now again your common sense. Acid will react now because base can comfortably react with acid to form CH3COONA plus water. Same thing, water is neutral, no effect. and the salt formed is already with us. Now you can ask, sir, if I take potassium hydroxide, no problem, that is also salt only. So CH3COOH and CH3COONA is the best example for acidic buffer, and here the working of acidic buffer can be explained like this. If you are adding acid, salt will react. If you are adding base, weak acid will react, but there is no change in pH. Right? Now we'll go with basic buffer. Once if it is clear, basic buffer will be very easy. See, basic buffer solution, best example you can take is NH4OH and NH4Cl. Now we are adding acid. Acid is HCl plus. Now when you are adding acid, weak base will react to form NH4Cl plus water. As we know, water is neutral, no effect. NH4Cl is already with us, so again no effect. So when strong acid is added, weak base part will react. If you are adding base like sodium hydroxide, now salt part will react. Okay, now base can't react, na? So salt part will react. Salt part is NH4Cl. From here, NH4 and this OH, it is going to form NH4OH along with NaCl. Clear, na? NH4OH is again present with us. So because of NH4OH, there is no change in pH. NaCl, as we were discussing, it is absolutely neutral, so no change in pH. It is known as working of buffer. So when you are adding small amounts of acid or base, there is no change in the pH of the solution. Then only the type of solutions are called buffer solutions. In next part, we will discuss Henderson's equation to find the pH and what combinations can make a pH solution. That's going to be very important. We will discuss in next class. Thank you.